there. Can you count? Let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Good job. Want to do it one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5, 6. Then what? 7. What comes after 7? 8. Then what? What comes after 7 and 8? 9. 10. Good job. Want your little cup? Good job. See you later.